All right, fellow AMC holders, let's look at the AMC earnings. Q2 earnings that just came out just today. Meme stock favorite AMC managed solid top line and bottom line beats for quarter two. AMC second quarter just lost per share 71 cents versus estimated 94 cents. Company narrowed 340 million to 560. Lost true to the company narrowed from 340 to 561 million dollars in revenue. Yeah, so 2-quarter revenue. So the adjusted loss is from narrowed to 344. So the adjusted loss is 344 million versus 561 million a year earlier as far as losses, as far as I guess cash flow. AMC Entertainment second quarter revised 447 million estimate versus 382 compared for revenue. 382. So 444 million is much better than 382 million. Obviously, the quarter 2's carnage of mere 100,000 attendees. And quarter 2 21 saw 22.1 million. But it seemed like this was not enough to invest in Precious too much. I'm impressed. I don't know what this article is saying, but as of June 30th, 2021, AMC operated 593 domestic theaters, representing 100% of its domestic theaters, and 335 international theaters, representing 95 international theaters. The majority of international theater operations are suspended for the first 2 months of second quarter and did not reopen until early June. Adam Aron, CEO of AMC, the second quarter of 2021 is transformational for AMC. We have raised yet another $1.25 billion in equity capital before commissions and fees in the quarter, boosting our quarter-ending liquidity to more than $2 billion, including cash and undrawn revolving lines of credit, which is about double the previous high ever mark in AMC's 101 history, which is about double the previous high. We believe this gives AMC staying power to navigate boldly amidst coronavirus waters. And by June 30th, substantially all of our theaters will open again and entertain and delight our guests. Thanks to increased vaccination counts in the counties we serve, we started to see rising movie demand. We safely welcomed more than 22 million guests back to our theaters across the globe. New blockbuster films being released during the quarter drove successive pandemic-era box office records, and fortunately for us, as guests return to our theaters, they splurge on our food and beverage, which admittedly is quite a high-margin business. At the same time, we diligently managed our costs in every aspect of our operations. These actions produced financial results in the quarter that are considerably well ahead of our own and third-party expectations. AMC's journey through this pandemic is not finished. We are still not yet out of the woods. However, there are no guarantees to the future will bring. In an infection-impacted world, we can look ahead and envision a happy Hollywood ending to this story. I would like to think that someday, when a movie is filmed by AMC and COVID, its title will be one of compelling word, recovery, but only time will tell. And included, it is worth noting that our sheer will to drive through this COVID-19 crisis clearly resonates among those who are committed to our survival, because seeing the movies in theaters has been an essential part of the fabric of our society and the world over for decades and decades and decades. There are many of those who share the passion of movie-going in theaters to continue future generations. Accordingly, we are grateful for our friends and allies that AMC has gathered along the way. We can take comfort in knowing that we rebuild our company, deeper cash reserves, allow us to stay at the course, and innovate again, and to capitalize on opportunities around us. In short, as the largest movie theater operator in the world, AMC is playing on offense again. So yeah, share price is marginally higher after hours, but yeah, it's fine. Yeah, so great news, guys.